Crazy. Just trying to keep him out. That is sensational. The Pakistanis think it's a leading.
Talk about an impassioned appeal. And talk about a gentle smile.
Celebrating. Tell you what, it's a good.
Look now. Oh, heavens above. Look now.
He's a bit crazy. I reckon bowlers are mad. Fast bowlers, he's going a little bit.
Oh, he's got him. Has he got him? He certainly got it done. He's managed to catch himself a left-handed back.
Well, he's off. Alan just decided he needed to get there, mate. Oh, I thought he was going to go over the stumps there for a minute. Well, this is a fine recovery. He took a nasty blow on.
Bold! Hassan Ali strikes again. Boom, he says, and well, he's demolished the furniture and he's also strained his shoulder. Sarfraz is trying not to laugh, I think. He's holding that shoulder area.